Want to snag those must-have items today without breaking the bank? Let's unlock the secret to using Sezzle in-store for effortless buy now pay later shopping. First, fire up your Sezzle app and make sure you're logged in. You'll see the in-store shopping feature prominently displayed, usually as a button or banner that says something like Shop in-store or In-store Sezzle. Tap on that. Next, the app will use your location to show you a map full of participating stores near you. Browse through the retailers and find the one where you want to shop if you already know the store. You can also search for it directly in the app's search bar. Once you've selected your store, the app will generate a virtual Sezzle card for you. This is a one-time card specifically for your purchase. You'll see a card number, expiration date, and CVV code displayed on your screen. Take note, or better yet, copy these details to your phone's clipboard. Head to the checkout counter with your goodies when it's time to pay. Inform the cashier that you'll be using a credit card. Then, simply enter the virtual Sezzle card number, expiration date, and CVV code just like you would with any other credit card. After the payment is processed, Sezzle will show you your payment schedule within the app. This breakdown outlines exactly how much you'll pay in each installment and the dates they're due, setting you up to enjoy your purchases responsibly without sticker shock.